Welcome to Abstract Plus. In this video, I will show you how to slow down a YouTube short video on mobile and PC. Usually a short plays like this. There are no YouTube playback speed controls in short video, but we can view the short in regular YouTube video player. To do that, install a Chrome web browser extension. Go to Chrome Web Store. Search for YouTube Shorts block. This is the extension. Install this extension. It can be installed in Chrome or a Brave web browser. Extension is installed. Now reload the short. It will switch to regular, normal video player for YouTube. Now we have controls to slow it down. To do that, click Settings icon, Playback Speed, move the slider to the left. Adjust playback speed that you like, and that's it. So this is how you can slow down a short video on YouTube. But this was on desktop. How about mobile? To slow down short on mobile, open short video, like the video, then press U button on the bottom right, and under playlists you can see the liked videos playlist. If you don't, in front of playlists, press View All button. Look for liked videos playlist here. Once you find it, click at the liked videos playlist, play that short video, and here it will run in normal regular YouTube video player. Press gear icon at the top, select playback speed, adjust the speed as you like. To slow it down, move the slider to the left, and that's it. By the way, if you don't like to install extension in web browser, then on PC you can apply same mobile method. All you have to do is to view the short in regular video player and access player settings. So this is how you can slow down a YouTube video on mobile, Android, or on PC. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.